Leads Find AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market recently, and in this video, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. If you're looking to level up your lead generation game, you'll want to stick around till the end to learn what makes this software stand out. First, let's talk about the ease of use. With Leads Find AI, even if you've never used an AI tool before, you'll be able to hit the ground running. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed to make lead generation as simple as possible. No complex setup or confusing options. Just plug in your target audience and let the software work its magic. It's designed for marketers, business owners, and anyone else who needs to find quality leads quickly. Second, one of the most impressive features of Leads Find AI is its ability to generate highly targeted leads with precision. Unlike many other lead generation tools, this AI doesn't just scrape random data, it uses smart algorithms to understand your niche, audience, and goals, and then provides leads that are genuinely interested in your offer. Whether you're in real estate, digital marketing, or any other industry, the AI adjusts to find leads that match your specific needs. Now the speed is another game changer, leads. Find AI can generate hundreds or even thousands of leads in just a few minutes. This is a massive time saver, especially for businesses that need to scale fast. Imagine the traditional methods of lead generation, cold calling, email outreach, or manual research. All of that is replaced with an AI-driven system that's incredibly fast and accurate. The next thing that sets Leads Find AI apart is its integration capabilities. It works seamlessly with other tools you're likely already using. Whether it's your CRM, email marketing software, or social media platforms, Leads Find AI can connect with them effortlessly. This means you don't need to jump between different tools or waste time on manual imports and exports. Everything is streamlined into one ecosystem that makes managing your leads a breeze. Another big selling point is the AI's ability to refine your lead list over time. As you use it, the software learns more about what works for your business and adjusts accordingly. This machine learning feature is invaluable because it means the more you use Leads Find AI, the better it gets at finding your ideal prospects. So, if you're in a competitive market, this gives you an edge over others still relying on outdated methods. Let's not forget the data accuracy. One of the biggest challenges with lead generation is ensuring that the data is up to date and relevant. Leads Find AI ensures that the leads it provides are highly accurate by pulling information from reliable, real-time sources. This helps you avoid wasting time on leads that are outdated or no longer active. And finally, the flexibility. Leads Find AI isn't just about finding leads. It's about finding the right leads in the right format at the right time. The platform offers different filters and customization options that let you fine-tune your lead generation to your exact needs. You can sort by location, industry, company size, and more, making this tool highly adaptable to any type of business or niche. You can try Leads Find AI completely free from the first link below, no commitment required. After trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that this one stands out for its speed, accuracy, and ease of use. To sum up, if you're in the market for a lead generation tool that offers high-quality, targeted leads at lightning speed, Leads Find AI is a tool you can't ignore. It's perfect for digital marketers, small business owners, and anyone looking to scale their business quickly. And don't forget, I've left my recommended AI tools in the description, all of which you can try for free. So, if you're serious about improving your lead generation efforts, click the link, give it a try, and let me know how it goes. You might just be surprised by the results.